The G20 nations have given their approval to the Financial Stability Board's (FSB) recommendations for the regulation and oversight of cryptocurrency assets. This marks a significant shift from India's previous stance of considering a blanket ban on cryptocurrencies. An Indian government official noted that implementing a ban would be challenging if other countries don't follow suit, emphasizing the need for coordinated actions among member states. India has been at the forefront of advocating for cryptocurrency regulation within the G20 framework and aims to extend these discussions to countries outside the G20 group. In the last 24 hours, the burn rate of SHIB tokens, tracked by SHIB, witnessed a substantial increase, with 177,820,158 SHIB tokens burned, marking a 323.81% surge. Notable transactions involved burning 4.6 million tokens from a wallet and significant burns from two wallets totaling 68,999,999 and 41,082,889 tokens. Despite this surge in token burns, the price of SHIB experienced a minor 0.94% decline, trading at $0.07,363. Investors are closely monitoring SHIB's burning rate, hoping it will impact the token's value positively. Coinbase, a prominent cryptocurrency exchange, has announced plans to cease its crypto trading services in India by the end of the month due to regulatory challenges in the country. Indian users have been prompted to download the Coinbase wallet as the exchange has already disabled new signups. Customers have been advised to withdraw their funds from Coinbase accounts by September 25. This decision comes after a prolonged effort by Coinbase to reintroduce its services in India, which faced significant hurdles and resulted in the departure of key executives. Polygon, MATIC, has unveiled its upcoming plans, including Polygon 2.0, which promises enhancements in scalability, interoperability, and user experience. The introduction of zkEVM, Zero-Knowledge Ethereum Virtual Machine, signifies a crucial advancement in Layer 2 scaling solutions. It aims to enhance security and efficiency for Ethereum-based applications. Additionally, the Polygon Chain Development Kit, CDK, is expected to empower developers to create custom blockchains, fostering innovation within the Polygon ecosystem. In the lead-up to the Bitcoin halving event in May 2020, Ethereum, ETH, struggled to gain momentum and mostly maintained lower highs until just before the halving. Analyst Benjamin Cowan predicts that the second half of the pre-halving year is unlikely to favor Ethereum. While some upside movement may occur, Cowan anticipates ETH closing 2023 below the yearly open of $1,195, with a potential decline to below $1,400 by the end of October 2023. Despite its volatility, Ethereum had maintained a market share of just under 20% of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization since late 2021.